This video is about the Fish and Chip Run 2022, so let's get into the video. There are lots of Fish and Chip Run videos out there, but hopefully this one is a little bit different than the rest. Firstly, what is the Fish and Chip Run? It is run by the Caterham and Lotus 7 Club, and it is a great event to meet with new and old friends. The starting point in 2022 was the Peterfield pub in Chepstow, and then a drive to get fish and chips in Aberdovey. Hello YouTube, and welcome to the Peterfield for the beginning of the Fish and Chip Run. Being at the starting point is great, as you get to have lots of chats with Caterham owners. It's quite a sight to see so many Caterhams all together in one place, and then on the roads later. It always amazes me when you see so many Caterhams together that none of them are the same. In 2022, there were about 200 Caterhams at the starting point. I've also been to the 2021 Fish and Chip Run, where there were just over 100, I think. In 2023, there are meant to be 300 Caterhams booked on, so I'm really looking forward to that. I've been surprised each year of how many owners raise their hand when asked, "Is this your first Fish and Chip Run?" It's a very, very popular event and I can highly recommend it. We are asked to leave in small groups so we don't clog up the roads. This is normally a small group of friends, but it doesn't matter if you don't know anyone. You will have gained some friends by the end of the day for sure. The Fish and Chip Run definitely isn't a race. It's a drive to enjoy the scenery with your fellow owners. Quite a lot of the locals stand outside their houses to wave at us, and I'm sure it's a sight to be seen, especially if you weren't expecting it. We wouldn't want to upset the locals in any way, and we want it to be a good experience for all. You even find some cars pulling over to let us past, which is great. We stopped to watch some of the cars go by in 2022, and I plan to do the same in 2023. If you see me, don't forget to wave or give me a beep. I have a separate video on this, so check it out. The route is great and there are some wonderful roads in Wales. I always get excited when I see the first Araf sign when driving into Wales, as you know there's going to be some good roads ahead. As it is Wales, you have to watch out for sheep, but they are pretty fearless. There are so many good bits of road on the fish and chip run. I've added some highlights, but I could have easily had 2 hours of driving in a video. I've added some chapters to this video if you want to skip to any part. We were warned that there was one piece of road that had been recently resurfaced and there were loose bits on top. We went that way anyway, and it's also quite funny seeing us drive really slowly. This is a brilliant bit of road, so I'm looking forward to driving this again in 2023 as it's now been resurfaced. Here are some more clips of the day.
You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby,
Here we are in Aberdovey at the end. We got to see some unexpected entertainment, and we also managed to get some fish and chips. In 2023, the fish and chip run is sponsored by Just Add Lightness, and there is also going to be a free competition coming to my channel very soon, so keep an eye out for that. I would like to thank the Caterham and Lotus 7 Club for putting on this great event, as I'm sure it takes a lot of time and effort to organise. If anyone is brave enough at the end of the fish and chip run 2023, I'd like to do a video of some owners and asking them how they found the day. I'll add this to a video and we can hopefully thank the Caterham and Lotus 7 Club. If you want to do this, please let me know on the day. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.